DAIHAN Scientific is a total laboratory solution company in Korea. Hello, today we will introduce the Autoclave of DAIHAN Scientific. The following is a description of the components of the autoclave. The components of autoclave include 2 wire baskets and 1 drain bucket, and user manual, quality guarantee, and inspection sheet are included. This is a description of the product appearance. Product body, a regulator, pressure gauge, and lever type sliding door are mounted on the top of the product body. Lever type sliding door is normally locked. If you press the open button on the controller, it is unlocked. You can open and close the container simply by operating the lever. You can manually operate the lever type sliding door in an emergency, and you can open and close the container by inserting an appropriate sized tool into the unlocking hole located on the central axis of the LED. The inside of the product consists of a water level sensor, a temperature sensor, a drain, and a heater. It consists of a heater cover to protect the configured internal parts and 2 loadable baskets. When you open the power distribution box on the side of your product from above, you can find a safety knob that sets the temperature limit, manual push valve to emit steam by force in case of necessity, an exhaust steam condenser that helps the arrangement of steam after sterilization and provides a safe and clean sterilization environment, a drain valve for drainage and a drain hose for drainage and steam. The rear of the product consists of an earth leakage breaker, a power switch, and a cord line. Connect the cord before turning on the power switch. The following is a description of the product installation. The product is heavy, so be careful during transportation. Place the product on a hard and flat surface. When installing the product, consider the door open radius and keep at least 20 centimeters away from the side wall for ventilation and fire prevention. When the product position is selected, the locking device of the moving wheel is set to a fixed position to prevent movement. Place the enclosed drip tray under the drain hose on the side of the product. If there is not enough water in autoclave, error 3 low-level error occurs on the operation screen, and a warning beep sounds after about 1 minute. If there is not enough water in autoclave, press the door open button to open the door, and then fill the chamber with distilled water to the heater cover. Turn the power off and on again to clear the water shortage error. The following is a description of how to use the product. Operation timer sets the time for sterilization. It counts after reaching the target temperature and can be set up to 99 minutes 59 seconds in 1-minute increments. When you press the main button in the operation timer, it switches to operation temperature. You can set the operation temperature's sterilization target temperature up to 132 degrees in 1-degree increments. After setting the time and temperature, press jog dial in operation temperature to start product operation. When the product operates, the heater LED turns on red. If you press the sub button on the operation timer setting screen, it moves to the delay timer setting. You can set the waiting time up to 99 minutes 59 seconds before the sterilization operation in the delay timer, and heating and operation timer start after the set time has passed. If you press the sub button on the operation temperature setting screen, it switches to the settings screen. We use this to match the current temperature of the product with the thermometer. Being used as the basis for our experiment, it can be adjusted in 0.1 degree increments in the range of -10 degrees to +10 degrees, and the offset value is saved by pressing jog dial for 2 seconds. If you press the main button on the operation temperature settings screen, it switches to the lock mode. Switching to lock mode displays the current temperature and remaining timer time. and the lock mode prevents the recognition of additional commands even if you press jog dial, so stable operation is possible until the end of sterilization. This product provides liquid mode for sterilization of liquid samples. You can press the sub button in locking mode once to switch to operation selection mode, and press jog dial to select solid cycle mode and liquid cycle mode. After completing the selection, press jog dial for 2 seconds to save the mode. Liquid mode discharges steam at intervals after the sterilization process is completed, which prevents the sample damage and relieves pressure slowly. Here is a description of the main features of the Autoclave. DAIHAN Autoclave was selected to world-class goods in next generation by Ministry of Industry and Culture in 2020. DAIHAN Scientific's Autoclave can be heated up to 132 degrees in 0.1 degree increments and comes in various sizes from 47 liters to 100 liters. In addition, it can be manufactured in non-standard, and validation service is also available. In addition to general products, we have the model for all sizes of autoclave, comply with European PED standards, and come with 3 mm thick pressure vessels and recorders. I briefly introduced DAIHAN Scientific's Autoclave. Thanks for watching us all the way through. You can find more world best items on the DAIHAN Scientific website. Thank you.